Assalamu alaikum students. Today's history topic is international relations. Here we will discuss Pakistan's relations with the Gulf states, especially uh, Arab states. Gulf states are basically Muslim states who are located alongside of Arabian Sea and the Gulf, and they are very rich in having mineral resources, especially oil reserves. These Muslim states of Gulf were able to finance industrial development in Pakistan, particularly Libya, Qatar, and United Arab Emirates. All have had invested heavily in boosting the Pakistani economy in areas such as oil refining, banking, and shipping. Saudi Arabia was among the first countries to recognize Pakistan after 1947. So, as it grew richer, just because of the oil reserves, it sent more aid to Pakistan and also invested in Pakistani industry. After the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia sent funds to help Afghan rebels and refugees. And it is estimated that Pakistan's second largest source of foreign exchange in the early 1980s aid was the money remitted by the 3 million Pakistani workers who were working or serving in the Middle East. The friendship with other Muslim states also provided Pakistan with the opportunity to export its military expertise. Pakistan provided military expertise for many of the Gulf states and had 50,000 military personnel operating in other Islamic countries. Military agreements were signed with many Muslim states in the 1970s. Pakistan joined the international coalition which sought to end the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait during the 1990 and 1991. It was called the Gulf War. So some elements in Pakistan, especially the Jamaat Islami, who was a religious party in Pakistan, it opposed the policy of the government as they feared that the defeat of Iraq would lead to an increase in strength of the Shia government in Iran. Now we'll discuss the relations of Pakistan towards Turkey. So, Turkey was a Muslim state already. We have discussed for many times in the previous topics, and uh, it was an ally of Iran. So, maintained friendly relations towards Pakistan all through the period. We have already discussed Pakistan relations with Turkey, Pakistan relations with Iran. So the Turks had also not forgotten the fact that Indian Muslims, after First World War, they provided a very strong support for the Khilafat movement, and Turk people were having a big regard for this. Pakistan and Turkey shared a religious and cultural heritage that made mutual support natural. So, in February 1955, Turkey and Iran were the first to sign the Baghdad Pact, what Pakistan later joined. Turkey was the part of Regional Cooperation for Development, what was established in 1964, and this regional organization established very close relations and ties between Turkey, Iran, and Pakistan. Furthermore, Turkey supported Pakistan in the wars against India, but was unsuccessful in gaining aid for Pakistan from other countries. Students, keep in mind, um, uh, the only Muslim country to favor India during Indo-Pak wars was the Muslim country Malaysia. But later on, Pakistan's relation towards Malaysia are very normal and very positive.